We all want things to stay the same. Settle for living in misery because we're afraid of change, of things crumbling to ruins. Then I looked around at this place, at the chaos it's endured, the way it's been adapted, burned, pillaged, and found a way to build itself back up again. And I was reassured maybe my life hasn't been so chaotic, it's just the world that is, and the real trap is getting attached to any of it. Ruin is a gift. Ruin is the road to transformation. Naples. A place of ruin and chaos.
They did Eat, Pray, Love here.
Remember that scene in Eat, Pray, Love where Julia Roberts is guiltlessly eating a full pizza in Naples?
Just through with the guilt.
That's it. La Antica Pizzeria Da Michele. And a place I had to see.
It's one of the first known pizzerias. I think 1870 it was established.
Queue number 40 means we're 40th in line to get here. About a half an hour wait, but some people wait over 2 hours to eat it. We'll see if it's good.
We dragged our suitcases from the Amalfi Coast. Vacation's not over yet. Campari Spritz?
Aperol Spritz.
I've always wanted to come here because one, the pizza looks unbelievable, which, spoiler alert, it is, but it's an empowering lesson of self-love. Just eat the whole thing.
This is a dream come true. Our pizzas came out within 5 seconds of sitting down. I'm sweating.
As you can see, things slowly became a bit more rugged toward the end of our trip, so here's a quick flashback to more luxurious days. Castiglion del Bosco in Tuscany. A must-see. So, as we were longing for some luxury, we were off to the place where dreams are made of.
Roma.
And let me tell you, at the Rome W, dreams were made.
To shower in this.
And we were off to see our first Roman landmark. Just make sure to call it Make Cafe and don't film inside. You'll get in trouble.
Oh, sorry.
And on an evening in Roma, what do? You eat.
Where are we now?
Trattoria, Elle, Amatriciana, Spaghetti, Amitri. What is this one?
Amatriciana is very famous.
What is that?
I'm so sorry, my Italian friends.
This is the best pasta I've ever had.
Oh God, it's good.
The house wine, you can get little carafes, a half a carafe. It's my favorite thing in Italy.
Yummy.
And of course.
Gelato of Rome.
And there's nothing quite like waking up in the eternal city to more food on your birthday. Masterpieces like Rome weren't built in a single day.
31 today. Beautiful, huh? You can see how well preserved it is.
And when in Rome, do as the tourists do. Go to the Trevi Fountain. The myth is that if you throw 1 coin, you will return to Rome. 2, you will fall in love with an attractive Italian. And 3 coins, you'll marry the person you met. I've lived to say the myth is true because I threw 3 coins and married an attractive Italian. Okay, legend or not, 3,000 euros are collected each night from the bottom of the fountain, and all the money is donated to a Catholic charity who uses the money to help needy families in Rome. Some other fun facts about this place: there are 280 drinkable water fountains in Rome, and there are 2,000 fountains scattered across the city. The Pantheon is the oldest building in the world that is still in use today, and it's a burial site for famous Italian kings, queens, and artists. The Colosseum, one of the 7 wonders of the world, was once a place where gladiators fought for entertainment, and they said there's been about 500,000 casualties from these battles. Ugh. On a lighter note, there are many romantic places in Rome, like the Ponte Sisto, or my favorite neighborhood, the Trastevere, a great place to ponder all your wishes and dreams.
A year of success, of travel, and of fun.
Define success.
No definition.
Success is hard to define, but I think our time in Italy is a good place to start. The truth is, I don't even remember what I wished for at the Trevi Fountain. How could I ask for more? I ate, I prayed, I loved. Thank you, Italy, for leading me on the road to transformation. So as I close the chapter on Italy, just like she did in the Eat, Pray, Love movie, Italy was only her first stop, because more adventure was awaiting.
Start that over, I guess.
It's like in a documentary when they mess up, they put that first thing in the interview.
Andrea Bocelli or Justin Bieber?
Let me think about my young sister, 20 years old. I would say Bieber.
Oh, yes!
I have one question for you.
Yeah?
Andrea Bocelli or Justin Bieber?
Give me a break, Bieber. How is it different from American pizza?
Well, I mean, there's New York pizza, there's Little Caesars, there's Domino's. It just falls right.